Good morning, everyone. This is Ken from Nutley Kia, introducing our latest arrival. It's stock number KTK532A. This is a relatively new 2016 Dodge Journey Special Edition. Beautiful white color. Body is immaculate with brand new tires installed. The car just underwent a nice restoration from our certified staff here at Nutley Kia. The car is being listed online for $13,000. It only has 41,000 miles on the odometer. The car is ultra clean, well equipped. AM, FM, CD, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls for the audio. Everything's working. Like I said, the car is very, very clean and will not last long. Stop down to Nutley Kia, ask for Ken and his beautiful Dodge Journey SE.